how to find your art style. I feel like this is a crisis that so many artists have, especially beginner artists. You really want to have a unique style. You want to make art in a way that it's recognizably yours. So how do you find your art style? This is a tricky question to answer for two reasons. One of them being that it just takes time and people don't want to hear that, but your style develops over a long time of making art. It's inevitable. And second, it's always harder to recognize your own style for some reason. Everyone else can look at your art and see a really distinct look, but we have trouble seeing that for ourselves in our own art. So just ask around, ask your family and friends what they think about your art, because they can probably define your style better than you can. Okay, now I know you probably want to move on to the actual tips for figuring out your art style, but first I just want to quickly mention that I'm spending the whole month of June working on this topic on Patreon with all of my members. So each week I'm posting a new lesson and an activity for everyone to work on to help them figure out what their art style is. And also each week I'll be doing a live stream to show my own creative process and also just to answer any questions. And my goal is that by the end of the month, my members are going to be so much closer to defining their own style and creating the art that they're envisioning making. And I'm so excited for everything that I have planned. So if you watched this video and you still feel like you want a little help afterwards, I would love to have you join us on Patreon. I will have a post linked down below on Patreon with all the details explaining what's happening this month and everything that you need to know. So go check that out. All this content and all the live streams will be available for my $5 or higher tiers. And of course, I'll still be doing all of my regular rewards like the printable and podcasts and my monthly print, all of that. So go check out my Patreon for all the details, but I would love to have you if this sounds like something that would be helpful for you. Okay, back to the video. Here are the ways that I've worked on developing my own style that you can try out too. The first one is really simple, and that's just to create a mood board of images that inspire your ideal art style. And don't underestimate how useful this actually is. So you can either do this digitally or physically, it doesn't really matter. Find other artists' work that you really love, or find photographs that evoke that same feeling that you want your artwork to feel like. Anything that inspires you, add it to your mood board. You can add stills from your favorite film or color palettes that you really love, or even your favorite fonts. And I know that this is really simple and you'll probably be tempted to put it off or not do it at all because you just want to get to figuring out what your art style is. But I promise this is going to be so helpful for you because you need to pay attention to the media you consume, to the things in the world that you like, that inspires you, because this is going to point towards what your style is. The art you hang on your walls, the way you decorate your room, your favorite music, all of this is your style. And you just have to figure out a way to translate it into your art. But the first step is just finding all of this and gathering it and having this information to inspire the artwork. Next, I want you to pick a piece of art from one of your favorite artists and recreate it. And don't try to make it in your own style, just copy it. And before anyone gets upset about copying art, because I know that's not okay, this is not going to be something that you share all over the internet and claim to be your own original artwork. This is just something that you're going to do for yourself, so don't share it. But this is so incredibly helpful in developing your style. And this is how so many artists get started and just learn how to create. I know so many of my own friends who are amazingly talented who actually started out by just copying their favorite anime characters or drawing the art from the manga books that they were reading. And if you go back into art history, many of the artists who were classically trained started out by copying masterpieces from other great artists because this is how they learned the skills and figured out how to paint or draw or whatever it was. So I want you to do a similar thing. You pick out a piece of art that you really like and you try to recreate it, because this is going to help you figure out what you like and what you don't like. You can pick out certain aspects from this artwork that you love, like maybe the brush strokes or how you draw a certain figure or the colors that you use. You can take out certain aspects to use in your own artwork, and you'll collect all of these aspects from all your different inspirations and artworks that you really love, and these will all combine into your own unique style. So I'm in no way trying to tell you to steal other people's artwork or ideas. I just want you to do this as practice, because it's going to be really helpful for you in figuring out what your style is. Okay, third, I want you to pick one subject and draw it in a different way every day. And don't spend too long on this. Don't worry about making a beautiful drawing. You just want to try out a bunch of different ways of drawing. After doing this for a week, or even better for a month, you're really going to start seeing the marks that you like to make, or the colors you like to use, how you like to hold your pencil, all of these things that come together to make your style. You're going to start to see that after drawing the same thing every day for a long time. And just a quick side note, I am referencing drawing specifically, but this can apply to any art form that you want to do. And finally, my last tip for you is to go through all those drawings that you just did and pick one or two of your favorites, and then create a full artwork in that same style. On Patreon, I'm going to be giving everyone a prompt to follow when we get to this activity, because I know sometimes it's hard to make that first mark on a blank page, and it's easier if you have a prompt to follow. So I'll be doing that for all of my patrons, but you can draw anything you want. You just want to work on refining that style that you liked from that quick little drawing that you did. And you can do these activities as many times as you need to just work on figuring out what your art style is. In the end, your style is really going to evolve from you gathering information from the world around you, and then just lots and lots of practice. Keep making art and figure out what you don't like about it, and then just change it. And don't let yourself get stuck in a box of a certain style. Be an artist who constantly tries new things. This is how your art is going to get better. And just remember, you've got to make a lot of bad art before you'll get to the good art.